Yeah, dangerous and unpredictable.
Yeah, I'm sure he'll clinch down any second. I'm sure.
I keep bringing you this gift. You keep throwing it away. Please keep it this time. Please keep it, please. No!
Guys want to come over tonight?
No.
We have a puppy?
It's working.
Babe, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm, girl. Chill.
Get off me, you liar! Piggyback ride.
If anyone ever gets mad at you, all you have to do is show them one of these. Alright.
I'm dying back here, man. Killer vibe. One more time.
So Kane thinks he's a freaking lapdog. I mean, really, man? Okay.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna...
His final throw.